Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Pontiac GTO. Outstanding car, guys. I actually sold this car 2 years ago to a gentleman out in Idaho. He's just decided he was going to sell it, so we ended up buying it back. Great car. When I bought this car from a gentleman who's owned this car for 30 plus years. Sorry, my flags are in the way here. Great car. It's an older restoration, very well maintained, but just an awesome car, guys. It's finished in Montero red. That's not the original color. I think originally it was candlelight cream, but it's got the entire original drivetrain in it, 3D9, Muncie 4-speed. It's got the stock 10-bolt with a safety track rear end. They've added tri-power. It was original 4-barrel car, and they've added a tri-power, but really just a nice car. All the original body panels. Car's just as nice on the top as it is on the bottom. I mean, you crawl underneath this thing, the floors are nice and clean. This is just a good car. Good, solid, straight body. The gentleman, again, who originally did this car, owned it for 30 plus years. Unfortunately, fell on some bad health issues, but he originally bought the car out of California, so it was original California body. Sorry, guys, Eddie got a little wax there on the bumper. But look how nice the chrome and stainless are. Again, that's just a little wax. There's a little stone peck. That's about it. I mean, as I walk through, you can see a couple little stone pecks, couple little scratches, but man, outstanding car. See those original T3 headlights? The chrome's nice, and you want to talk about a nice running and driving car, man. It's just a good car. Paint slick. Look how nice the stainless is. I don't know what's going on here. Sometimes that sunshine messes this up. Dash is nice in there. This is the original vinyl top from 1966, guys. And this thing runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Again, it's just a little bit of Eddie's wax there. He put a good coat of wax on it. Thing's nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it. It's got the steel wheels with the poverty caps. I love the 66 taillights, man. 67 grill's my favorite, but the taillights on the 66 I love. See a little scratch that they've touched up there. Just a sweetheart, man. Nice and straight. This is just a nice car. Again, it's got the right 389 in it. It was actually a 4-barrel from the factory. They've added a tri-power, original Muncie 4-speed car. You can see it's got the stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, it's got the manual brakes. It's got the original Harrison radiator in there with a shroud. Just a good car, man. is an original 242 GTO. Mirrors are showing a little age, little age on the stainless there. Original. Definitely changed that door rubber. This is the original interior. Said they hadn't changed anything. This is actually the original interior on the car. Bucket seats, console, stock Hurst shifter. It's got the factory wood steering wheel. That thing's beautiful. Looks like it's got all the original seat belts in it, which were an option in '66. Headliner's nice. Wood grain dash is beautiful. Showing 28,000. I'm sure that's 128. Factory tach and gauge car. AM radio. I know the blower motor works. All your gauges and stuff work, but I don't think the radio works. There's a little touch-up mark there. And you can see this is the only thing I really seen. It's got a little split there in your vinyl top. Dual exhaust. Oh, I know it's a safety track. I think it's a, and I'll have to look it up. I'll make sure I get it in the ad. I think it's either 323 or 355. One thing he owes us is the PHS. See, original numbers are still on the quarters. Factory jack was spare in here. It's all spackle coated. Thing is rock solid. Yeah, because I gave him the original PHS for this car, so I'm sure he has it. If not, I can order it. 75 bucks to get it. No big deal. Oh, I've ordered new floor mats for it. Black GTO floor mats. Those are on the way. Oh, I'll show you in the glove box. Got some cool stuff in it. And I'm telling you, man, you crawl under this thing, you look at the floors, how nice and clean they are. This thing is rock solid, guys. Nice and flat down the sides. Looks like the original sill plates even. If it doesn't show, man, I like this car a lot. This is just a good car. So when you look in here, here's all your, even your little glove box light works. Here's your original Protecto plate, all your original owner's manuals for the car. Yeah, pretty cool little glove box light works. Look how nice that wood grain dash is. Somebody's loved this car, man. They've kept this car nice. Console light works. Go ahead, Jordy, you fired up. I have the parking brake, I believe it got on. Again, you can kind of nitpick the door handles. Again, I wouldn't touch this car. Leave this car alone. Turn the key and go have a blast with it. Again, runs and drives excellent. Just really hits the road good. Turn the key, fires right up. All your gauges work, tach works, good oil pressure, great oil pressure. Again, your parking brake does work. Love those taillights, man. Backup lights work. That car's a little sweetheart right there, guys. Nope, radio, I couldn't get it to come on. Blower motor does work though. Yep, it come on. How nice the doors open and close. That's just a good car right there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Should be a little button there you can click on at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I do another one of these videos. a sweetheart, man. A nice GTO, guys. It's gonna be hard for us to beat that one. That's a nice car.